The wood under the roof there, that's all from an oak tree I cut last fall, and it filled up that much space. The wood out in the small piles is walnut tree from Cortazos, and a big hunk of ash trunk from last year. And up here is a truck full of oak tree from this year, which needs to get stacked in this space, starting with that small pile there. You just heard the pileated woodpecker along with the wood thrush. All that wood, extending all the way up to the end of the shed, is wood from last year, and we never burned. So, got a stack starting here and fill this space this fall, or this summer. That's about it. See if the pileated comes in again here. Yep, that was him. May 21st, 2017.